So it's actually really about the size here. ChatGPT was trained off of something called Common Crawl, which is a very large archive of the entire internet, or at least the publicly available internet. It's very large. There's no humans checking it because it's too big for any people to check it. We can do statistical analysis on it because it's very large, but that's about all we can really do. With the amount of data that large language models need, we actually can't check it all. And all corpuses will contain some issues once they are of a statistically significant size. The reason why nobody has gone through the entire corpus is because it is literally the size of the entire internet. It wouldn't make sense to actually build this technology if you had to do it, because it wouldn't save any human hours. Even if, on the other side, there was a thing that could do all the things and we knew that the corpus was perfect, we would have spent so many human hours of attention that we also would then have to quality control, that it wouldn't actually have saved us any time as a hyperobject. You would have to hire checkers, and then you would have to hire checkers, and then you would have to hire checkers. When you're dealing with mass communications, often you can still deal with amounts of data that, enough people could comb over. But when you're dealing with large language models, they really do mean large. There is not enough human attention in the world currently to contribute enough human attention to screen a corpus the size of what ChatGPT was trained on in order to find all of the problems. The researchers know that there are problems with the corpus because it's literally not avoidable. This isn't any kind of statement on what should or shouldn't be. This is actually just how the research works and the scales at which we're operating, which are not intuitive to the human mind.